This was seriously so delicious. This is like my new favorite quick recipe. So the first thing we need is a half a cup of almond flour. And then 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Oops. We're using the Truvia. And I'm going to mix this around until it's nice and combined. And then 1.5 tablespoons of butter. And then you just keep smashing it with a fork until it all comes together. It'll take a couple seconds. And then I'm just going to take this little mini glass bowl slash pie thingy, or what I'm going to use as a pie thingy, and put the crust in here, and then just smash it. And then I just smashed it out into a little crust using the back of my finger. And for the filling, it's just 2.5 tablespoons of butter, and then 3 tablespoons of Swerve brown sugar. Actually, it's not the Swerve, it's technically the Truvia brown sugar. And then we're going to put this in the microwave for like 30 seconds. I'm going to add a tablespoon of this keto maple syrup. And then it'll be all nice and smooth and look something kind of like this. So I microwaved the little crust for like 30 seconds, and then I'm just going to put some of these in the bottom and kind of press them in. And then I'm going to pour in the filling. And as you can see, it's already thickening up. As it cools, it's going to get like really thick. And then I'm going to sprinkle more pecans on top. Kind of push those into the filling. And now I'm just going to let it cool for like 2 minutes. So this is the pie all set. And let's try it. And this is how it came out. It looks amazing. This was seriously so delicious. This is like my new favorite quick recipe.